Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Escape from Tarkov game. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is step to fix sound problem in Escape from Tarkov. So open Windows settings, then on the left click on system, then click on sound, scroll down, click on more sound settings, then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties, then go to the spatial sound tab, and then here select off and then click on apply and then OK. Now if spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit apply and then OK, and then check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2. Make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Escape from Tarkov game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and see if that helps or not. Fix 3. Now if you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and then select properties. Now go to the services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit apply, then launch the game and check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4. Set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by the additional peripheral devices, so disconnect such peripheral devices that are not necessary. For example, USB devices, camera, phone, additional controller, mouse, keyboard, etc. and then check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in Escape from Tarkov game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.